Hello, hi everybody. I am Jonath Marana. Welcome to our online class and YouTube channel of Vishwakarma Competitive Point. Today we are going to discuss about the Election Commission of India. I hope you see this video completely and till to the end. Let us start the discussion. Election Commission of India. It is the logo of Election Commission of India. Bharat Nirbachan Ayog logo. Then he is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sunil Arora. It is EVM. It is control unit, VVPAT and ballot unit. Okay. Election Commission of India, Bharat Nirbachan Ayog संविधान भाग 15 पार्ट 15 एंड आर्टिकल 324 टू 329 रे वर्णना कराई. ओके, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सो इट इज कॉल्ड ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी. एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सो इट इज कॉल्ड ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी. It was established on 25th January 1950. 25th January 1950. It consists of one CEC, Chief Election Commissioner, and other two Election Commissioner of India. Okay. Before October 1989, only one Chief Election Commissioner are there. But after 16th October 1989, there are two election commissioner was added. Okay, but they served only for short tenure. Okay, अल्प समय पर ही रहिले till 1st January 1990. Okay, later 1st October 1993, two additional election commissioner was appointed. Okay. Present CEC, Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sunil Arora. Okay, who is the 23rd Chief Election Commissioner of India. Other election commissioner are Sunil Lavasa. He is Sunil Lavasa. Sushil Chandra. He is Sushil Chandra. Okay. First Chief Election Commissioner are Utmar Sen. Okay. Then Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner are appointed by President of India. His salary is 2,50,000 per month from the consolidated fund. He gets his salary from the consolidated of India. Okay. Election Commissioner of India and Chief Election Commissioner of India was oath by the President of India. Then first general election was held between 1951 to 52. Okay. Article 324 says that in a constitution an independent election commissioner are there who is ensure free and fair election for the parliament. Parliament means Lok Sabha election किंबा राज्य सभा election and state legislative election जोड़ा कि हम कहें MLA, president election and vice president election, all are conducted by the Election Commission of India. But state election commission conduct panchayat and municipality election. Okay, difference between state election commission and central election commission. Election Commission of India conduct the parliament election, state legislative election, president election and vice president election, whereas state election commission conduct the panchayat and municipality election. Total voters in a polling station is 1,500, not more than. Okay, maximum distance between house and to the polling booth is 2 km, maximum 2 km, not more than 2 km. Okay. The used ink, voting ink, its name is indelible ink. Okay. Article 326 says that voting age of a voters 21. Article 326 says that the voting age of a voters is 21 years. Okay, but 61 Amendment Act 1988. 61 Amendment Act reduced the voting age of a voter from 21 year to 18 year. 326 says that the voting age of a voter is 21 year, but 61st Amendment 88 reduced this age of voter from 21 to 18 year. Okay. EVM, electronic voting machine. Okay. EVM was introduced first on 1982 May of general election Kerala constituency North Paravur. Okay. Then EVM was first introduced on 1982-81. Okay, by Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, shortcutly BEL. It is a public sector undertaking. Okay, it is also a Indian state-owned aerospace defense company whose headquarters is in Bangalore, Karnataka, which is established in 1954, whose present chairman is M.B. Gautam. Okay, then and Electronic Corporation of India Limited, ECIL, whose headquarters is in Hyderabad, which is established in 1967, whose founder is A.S. Rao. Both BEL and ECIL made and developed and demonstrated of EVM on 1982 to 81. EVM consists of two units. One is control unit, another is a ballot unit. It is a VVPAT. Okay, whose cable, it is a cable of 5-meter cables. Okay, connect both the ends. A ballot unit caters 16 candidates. Okay, ballot unit contains 16 candidates. It is a VVPAT. VVPAT full form voters variable papers audit trials. Okay, which is introduced on 2013 September. Okay, which is used in Nagaland constituency assembly election of Noksen. Clear? EVM was introduced in the general election, but VVPAT introduced on the assembly election. Then removal. Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner can be resigned and submit the resignation letter to the President. काको देबे resignation letter? President को देबे. Okay? He can be Chief Election Commissioner of India and Election Commissioner of India are removed in the same manner as the judge of a Supreme Court. Supreme Court or judge जेपरी removal होउचंदी से भलिया हमर Election Commissioner of India and Chief Election Commissioner of remove हेई परिबे. Ground of removal केउ ग्राउंड रे को removal कराबो ना proved misbehavior and incapacity. Okay, misbehavior करचंदी prove होबो किंबा कैपेसिटी जदि नाही चले देन से जगह में कौन करिया रिमूवल कर दी पारिया. टेन्योर कार्यकाल 6 years or till 65 years whichever is earlier. Okay, जोड़ा फास्ट आसिला 6 year हो किंबा 65 years हो जोड़ा फास्ट आसिला से कोन हो थाके ताकर रिमूवल हेई पारिबो. Okay, then come to the point power and function of Election Commission of India. Okay, prepare and periodically revise of electoral rolls. गोटे electoral rolls को periodically prepare करिवे किंबा revise करिवे and register all eligible voters. 18 years पर हमर voter eligible होचंदी से eligible voter मानकर register करिया काम होची कार Election Commission of India रो. Okay, scrutiny of nomination paper. गोटे nomination paper of candidate गोटे candidate रो nomination paper टाकू scrutiny करिवे किए करिवे Election Commission of India. Okay, registering of political party. गोटे political party newly registered करिया चाहूची तो register कोड करिवो ना Election Commission of India and allocation of symbol to the political party. गोटे symbol allocation करिवार दायित्व भी कार ना Election Commission of India. ओके इम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट इलेक्शन आसिला मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागू होबो सेटा किए करेबो ना इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया ओके प्रिपेयरिंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट प्रिपरेशन करिवो ऑन रेडियो टीवी एंड प्रिंट मीडिया was set up by the election commission of India. Then set the expenditure limit and security deposits. Okay गोटे कैंडिडेट रो एक्सपेंडिचर लिमिट फिक्स करिवो किंबा सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट केते सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट करिया को पड़िवो ए सब जाकर डिसीजन के नोची इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया ओके अपॉइंट वेरियस ऑफिसर्स for inquiry into the arrangement related to the electoral procedure जो वोटिंग बेले इलेक्टोरल प्रोसीजर बेले जो जो ऑफिसर दरकार से माननकु अपॉइंटमेंट करबा दायित्व होची कार इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया एग्जांपल कोई प्रिजाइडिंग ऑफिसर पुलिंग ऑफिसर फर्स्ट पुलिंग ऑफिसर सेकंड पुलिंग ऑफिसर थर्ड पुलिंग ऑफिसर फोर्थ पुलिंग ऑफिसर इट इज द पुलिंग ऑफिसर ओके व्हिच इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया सुपरवाइज द मशीनरी ओके throughout the country which is used in the election रो जो मशीनरी जो यूज हेतिबो तार सुपरवाइज करिवार दायित्व कार ना इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया ओके देन टू कैंसिल द इलेक्शन गोटे इलेक्शन को कैंसिल कर दी परिवे कोडे इन केस ऑफ रैगिंग वायोलेंस एंड बूथ कैप्चरिंग रैगिंग हेले किबा वायोलेंस हेले किबा बूथ कैप्चरिंग हेले से जगह रे चीफ इलेक्शन कमिशन किंबा इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया चाहिए सेटा को इलेक्शन को कैंसिल कर दी पार ओके एडवाइजरी एडवाइज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑन मैटर रिलेटिंग टू द डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ द एमपी डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन पाई एडवाइस देबे का को प्रेसिडेंट को देबे के देबो ना इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया एमपी मींस मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लोकसभा एमपी हो किंबा राज्यसभा एमपी हो ओके देन एडवाइज द गवर्नर ऑन द मैटर रिलेटिंग टू द डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ एमएलए स्टेट रे गवर्नर सेंटर रे प्रेसिडेंट ओके एमपी इलेक्शन हो किंबा एमएलए इलेक्शन हो कोनोसी कैंडिडेट को डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन करियर अछि से जगह एडवाइस के दोची ना तमरा इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया इलेक्शन एक्सपेंडिचर लोकसभा गोटे लोकसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी रे 70 लाख खर्च होबो फॉर ए बिगर स्टेट जदी बड़ स्टेट हला 70 लाख खर्च होबो जदी स्मॉल स्टेट हेती तदाले 54 लाख ओके इट वाज इंक्रीज्ड एंड डिक्रीज्ड बाय द इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया ओके डिपेंड अपॉन द इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया चलो फर्स्ट देखिबा आज हमर क्वेश्चन इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया रिलेटेड किछ क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कशन करिबा ओके फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची which of the following is a constitutional body option A election commission of India B finance commission C national commission for scheduled castes okay D all of the above तो मन रखा इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया also a constitutional body finance commission is also a constitutional body national commission for scheduled caste is also a constitutional body तो आंसर D all of the above okay the next second question how many election commissioner are there in election commission of India गोटे इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया रे केते जण इलेक्शन कमिशनर रहिबे ना 3 जण किपरि चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर एंड 2 इलेक्शन कमिश्नर 2 + 1 is 3 clear option A then question 3 who appoint the chief election commissioner okay option parliament B president C prime minister D law minister okay answer is president of India okay the state election commissioner मु कहितली सेंटर रे के रहउची इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया रहउची स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर रहउची can be removed on the basis of whose recommendation कार recommendation रे state election commission को remove करि परिबा ना option law minister chief election commissioner governor chief justice of high court तो chief election commissioner option B okay then question homework means आपण माने मते लेखिकरी कमेंट बॉक्स रे कहिबे ओके 1 2 3 4 मु डिस्कशन करि देली आउ रहिला 5 6 7 8 ए 5 6 7 8 क्वेश्चन को आपण माने मते हमर YouTube चैनल रो कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखिकी जणाए। ओके ए वीडियो टी आपण मानू को किपर लागिला आपण मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखिकी जणाइबे। जदि भलो लागिला तो ताले करी लाइक बटन टा प्रेस करिवे, शेयर करिवे, सब्सक्राइब करिया को भूलिबे नाही। धन्यवाद। घरे रुहंतु, सुस्थ रुहंतु, स्टे होम स्टे सेफ। ओके धन्यवाद।
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe.